So we're working on this 2018 Volkswagen Jetta SE TSI, and we're doing the brake light, which is the top bulb on top, which is an 1157, and the turn signal with our new T Series that don't hyperflash no more, and that's going to be the 1156 or P21W. Okay, so we'll show you how to get to this point so you can see how it looks. That'll be your brake light on top with the 1157. And then the bottom one, which is already installed in there as well, is going to be the P21W or 1156 amber. Okay, so we'll get that started for you right now. Alright guys, so to get to this point where you get the actual tail light off, you're going to go through the back of the, and you can see there's actually going to be a little cover that goes in there. Okay, it's a little cover like this one. Alright, so it just comes off really easy, and then that exposes the actual, there's going to be a screw in here like this one. Okay, you're just going to twist it until it comes off. It just unscrews off, and then pretty much at that point you can just slide the headlight out, or I mean the tail light. You can just slide it out, it'll be like this. Okay, so that screw you removed goes in here. Okay, that's what holds it in place. But once you're to this point, okay, if I can get it to focus. Same thing, just like if you've seen our video for the inner tail lights with the parking lights, it's held down by clips. So it'll be 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so there's 3 clips that hold it in place. You want to clip in to get it out, just like that. This one is going to be your turn signal, which is the P21W or 1156, and this is going to be your 1157. Okay, they're just twist-ons, and you're good to go. So this is a red 1157. And our T Series P21W or 1156. Alright, so at this point just assemble it again. Make sure you align it correctly, don't force it, take your time with it. Okay. Cool. And at this point, you can just put it back in place, okay? Make sure you don't forget to connect your cable, or else you won't have any power. Alright, so that's your cable connected. Alright, and make sure the same thing, don't over tighten them. Once you feel resistance, that should be good enough. Just to test, make sure it doesn't move, pop out, so you know you're good. Okay, everything nice. And that is the finished results, guys. Okay, again, the parking light will be the 1157s in red, and then the turn signals will be your P21W, which is our T Series 1156, and that's your T15's reverse lights activating as well.